A good outcome would be that the judgment, whichever way it goes and whatever it says, is accepted as something that people should build into their decision-making in their interactions with the People's Republic of China. That is what we would seek, nothing more. We do not want to make recommendations to other people. We do not want to change the law. We will apply the law as it is. We want to provide a factual legal conclusion that others can and should use. Certainly there's a lack of investigation, but it's a bit deeper than that. This is a factual issue with legal consequences that it would appear all governments and all international bodies and courts are either unwilling or perhaps it's and/or unable to deal with. But the public wants an answer to this question, and therefore, if nobody else will provide it, we will. It must be understood that we believe our value is in having a narrow focus and not straying into other people's areas of responsibility. In that way, we will have a better chance of contributing. Occasionally I say, and you don't need to value this as something to put in your program, but occasionally I say we are a bit like a jury. And if you think of what happens when a jury delivers its verdict, it walks away, and everyone else in the court and in social services and everywhere else picks up on the responsibility.